It's time for this week's hit list. I'm Big Don O'Brien from the home of today's best music, Winks FM in Easton, Maryland. Greatest hit CDs rule the country albums chart this week as Dierks Bentley rolls in at number 2 with Greatest Hits Every Mile of Memory, 2003 to 2008. But the big dog, Toby Keith, tops the charts with his 35 biggest hit CD. Plus, Toby lands at number 2 on the Billboard Top 200. For the second straight week, the biggest voice in country music, James Otto, holds on to Billboard's top country song with Just Got Started Loving You. On CMT's Top 20 Countdown, Taylor Swift proved Revenge is best served hot, as Picture to Burn enjoys its 4th week as the #1 video. Plus, Taylor's Our Song ringtone has been certified gold for more than 500,000 cell phone downloads. And here at 94.3 Winks FM, the Piano Man, Phil Vassar, has our hottest new song with Love is a Beautiful Thing. And that was this week's hit list. I'm Big Don O'Brien from 94.3 Winks FM.